Okay, we are here at the Man and Dog Show. This is my first time ever seeing it, so let's put.
Yippee-ki-yay! Welcome to Wonderland. Here, that is. Sure hope everyone's having a great time.
This is going to be a request show.
Dog, I request a ride on the mock flume.
Not that kind of request, huh? Song request.
Like to have it on radio?
Right, Bubba. We've done received so many requests.
We decided to oblige with this special show.
You sure have a nice guys. You got it.
And our firstest number is the Big Mama from Tadpole. Here we go.
Wish that I was on old Rocky Top down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoggy smoke on Rocky Top, ain't no telephone bills. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top, half bear, the other half cat. Wild as a mink, but sweet as soda pop, I still dream about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. I've had years of cramped up